Nothing to be afraid of, Josh. Alright, you're just not used to doing this. Every time it smells like this,
Clear.
your brother and I take a drive. To get donuts or whatever. Baki, just hold on the drinks, alright?
Yeah, like Christmas.
I want you guys to help clean today when the snow stops. We're gonna go down there and fiddle around with these reindeers. Set up nice for your mother. Yeah, but you better stop being nice and doing what you're told. You understand me? I mean it. Well, you're not gonna help me do anything. You can stay in the house.
Should call it a man?
Huh? Mike, it's 9 o'clock in the morning.
Oh.
I got the snowball. I talked to her last night.
Oh, backload.
Who's that, backhoe?
Yep.
Plowing. That's a lot of snow. Look at that. You guys didn't have school tomorrow.
We won't.
No.
I will have school tomorrow. I would. I would.
We're going to work today.
We're getting 10 to 15 inches of snow. That's there too.
Up there?
Yep. The gun range is not plowed.
It's Christmas time, huh? All monkey business. That's right.
Here's the road.
Huh?
Here's the road.
That's right up there. That's just white out.
Do we have a plow on our car?
Bring some back one. Dress up like Eskimo. Everybody knows. Turkey, go back, man.
Good.
Are you kidding?